So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today is another portfolio review of my stocks, and obviously this is to do with Trading 212 and Free Trade because I have my stocks on both if you guys are new and don't know. But if you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you guys are enjoying this video already 10 seconds in, hit that like button because it does mean the absolute world. So let's get straight into this video. If you're new and you want to sign up to Free Trade, links in the description. Deposit £1 on and you'll get your free share worth up to $200. And if you want to join my Discord server, link is in the description. So let's go. So loading up my Trading 212 right now. It's not looking too brilliant. Probably since the last video it has declined by quite a lot. I'm currently sitting at 5,200, but we are still holding because that's all we do. Stocks always go up. So I have changed my thing up a little bit. Long story short, NEO has kind of crashed down a little bit the past week plus month. So I saw a thing called NEO Granite shares, which basically give you leveraged shares of NEO, and it just tracks its place basically. So I've bought an ETF which is 3 times long, so long meaning buy. So I have bought 3 times long NEO, means I get 3 times the amount of a normal one. So I bought 193.69 shares, currently about £700 worth. I'm down 18% when the actual stock is about down 9%, maybe a bit less than that. But I'm not worrying too much because, like I said, I'm in NEO for the long term. Hands up guys, I did sell a few of my NEO shares to buy NEO long because I thought, why don't I just sell a few of my shares to buy the actual NEO long? So that's what I did. I did sell about 20, maybe a bit less than that. But I'm not worrying at all because I do feel like this will go up quite a lot. Yeah, I'm not stressing. I want to know if any of you guys have had any experience with Granite shares because I'm quite new to Granite shares. I don't normally leverage, maybe CFDs now and again. But NEO isn't doing too bad. Don't forget my average is still at $12.98. So I'm still in quite a nice sturdy place. I am still holding HCMC. It's been a very, very tough week. But I'm not worrying because HCMC for the long term, I'm not selling my position because, like I said guys, I'm in a very nice situation with my average price. So I'm still 329.74% up, meaning £1,275 worth up. I have seen better before, but I'm not stressing too much because, like I said, I'm holding for long term and I do feel that this could go up by quite a bit. But I'm not going to get into what my predictions are because that'll be on for a later video. And a new stock on the platform, a new stock on the portfolio is Hall of Fame Resort. And Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment, they are basically a Disney equivalent of a sports entertainment place. So basically what Hall of Fame Resort is in the name, it's resort and entertainment place, which basically likes the sport industry, so NFL, all that type of football. When I say football, I mean American football. It's about American football and people can stay and have events, there'll be gigs, everything. It's basically just a new resort, which I thought looks pretty good. So I bought 181 shares, around about £320 worth. I'm now currently up 12% already, which I'm not complaining about because it's pretty nice. Literally I bought it last week. There's been a nice spike. It did hit $3.20. Yeah, it hit $3.20 yesterday, but went back down. I think every stock went down yesterday. So I'm probably going to end up buying more because I do feel very bullish about this stock. But yeah, so this is my Trading 212 portfolio. We will get straight into the free trade. Not much has changed from the free trade. Let's just log straight in. So the general investment account, we are holding NEO, of course. I haven't sold anything, I haven't really touched anything with my free trade. So if you guys have seen my last video, nothing really changed other than the prices. So I'm still 195% up, £729. Looking pretty nice on NEO. NEO's my baby, so NEO's going nowhere. Pineapple Power is doing worse and worse every single day, but I'm not holding because it's green energy sector and I don't think that's going anywhere in the next few years. So I'm currently down at 30% now, which is not looking too nice. I was thinking of selling halfway through the other day, but I'm just going to hold. I'm not worried. Sorrento Therapeutics, FTSE 100 and UK Oil and Gas. I'll need to change up these shares, maybe sell them all soon to buy a few more, but we don't know what to do yet. I'm just going to just hold and just see how long these just rack up. And most of them are my free shares from you guys joining my free trade. So I'm going to go straight to the ISA account and currently sitting at £1,867.43 of the finest pounds. And we are holding Disney. Disney has been beautiful. Disney has been unbelievable. It's just, look at that 1 year chart. Look at that 1 year chart. So at the start it was sitting at $96 and that's basically when I bought in. And now it's sitting at $192, which is absolutely beautiful because like, a lot of people have their long-term stocks for like Tesla, Apple, all that stuff, but Disney is my one. I like something about Disney just floats in my heart, and I just love it. I might hold for another time. I might even buy more. I don't know yet, but don't forget their Disney Plus situation has been doing very well. Almost very so competing with Netflix, but obviously on a smaller scale because Netflix are just their bosses. But Disney is looking not bad for the future. I'm obviously not going to sell, I'm just going to hold. I've currently got £1,660 worth of Disney. And you see the very famous Pineapple Power sitting at £204.19. It's currently sitting at 0.0751. It's basically 7.5p. But we're just going to hold, and I'm not stressing at all in the slightest. I will, like I do every month, add more and more into it because obviously payday's soon. But I will add more and more into this portfolio and also my Trading 212 portfolio, because I do put about £100 to £200 in each. But mainly my Trading 212 is the one that I like to put a lot of money in. But recently I'm a bit scared about stocks, but we'll just see what happens. So the next week, in the next video, you will see my investment portfolio, and there'll be more money obviously pumped in because, like I said, I get paid by then. So let's just wait for the next video. Yeah, hopefully we get this portfolio both and put together above 10k again, because we have been struggling obviously due to the little correction, but we will see. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're new, and also turn that bell notification on because it does mean the world and you'll be the first ones on to the next video. So yeah, guys, peace out people, see ya, bye.